penser.
means to think.
In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to think in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the verb and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video.
To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. Now, we have the subject pronoun, the verb and the future ending.
Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense.
I will think.
Je penserai.
You will think.
Informal way.
Tu penseras.
He will think.
Masculine.
Il pensera.
She will think.
Feminine.
Elle pensera.
We will think.
Formal way.
Nous penserons.
You will think. Formal way.
Vous penserez.
They will think. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils penseront.
They will think. Group of only females.
Elles penseront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples.
I will think of you during my trip.
Je penserai à toi pendant mon voyage. Je penserai à toi pendant mon voyage.
You will think about your homework tonight.
Tu penseras à tes devoirs ce soir. Tu penseras à tes devoirs ce soir.
He will think about his family during the holidays.
Il pensera à sa famille pendant les vacances. Il pensera à sa famille pendant les vacances.
She will think about her next exam.
Elle pensera à son prochain examen. Elle pensera à son prochain examen.
We will think about our future.
Nous penserons à notre avenir. Nous penserons à notre avenir.
You will think to confirm your appointment.
Vous penserez à confirmer votre rendez-vous. Vous penserez à confirmer votre rendez-vous.
They will think about buying tickets for the concert.
Ils penseront à acheter des billets pour le concert. Ils penseront à acheter des billets pour le concert.
They will think about organizing a birthday party.
Elles penseront à organiser une fête d'anniversaire. Elles penseront à organiser une fête d'anniversaire.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je penserai. Tu penseras. Il pensera. Elle pensera. Nous penserons. Vous penserez. Ils penseront. Elles penseront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.